Hey guys, so in this video we're going to improve the product page for one of the brands that are selling the luxury shoes, and this is going to be super important video for all of you guys that have any e-commerce stores and that want to increase the conversion rate on your Shopify store and therefore increase the revenue per session. So in this video you'll get some very valuable advices that you can apply to your store to improve your conversion rate. So without further ado, let's get straight to the thing. So the first thing that I have noticed when I landed on this product page is that they have the sign up form, which is this one, and this is very good. They probably have the welcome email sequence, which we will not cover in this video, but this is great thing that they have, although the problem is that this copywriting is just not the best. You can see the first thing that they mention here is become a VIP, the newsletter, exclusive deals, products, whatever. Then they have 10% off your first order. The thing is that what's bad actually regarding this copy is that your visitors don't care about becoming VIP until they are your customers. So for that reason, when somebody lands on your product page for the first time and you want to sell them that welcome email sequence, they don't want to become VIP. They're just looking how they can save, how they can get something, free shipping, free product, or a discount. This sign up form would do just way better if they had like 10% off as a headline, or like get 10% off, something like that, instead of become a VIP. They have the 10% off, but it's just way too below somewhere here. The thing is that they have it underlined, which is good, so it kind of stands out, but you want to state the benefit for your first time customers, which is a 10% off discount. You want to become VIP once you get used to that brand, once you start liking their products, that's when you start becoming VIP. So just improve that copywriting, and that sign up form would just do way better. So yeah, so that's the first thing. Then let's go to the product page. The next thing that we have here is that this brand actually offer the returns. When you scroll at the bottom and you go for the refund policy, they have a 30-day refund return policy. But the thing is that on their product page you cannot see that. Like this is a pretty expensive product, just above 400 pounds. And so it's a luxury one, and when something is luxury like this, you just want to de-risk it. You want to minimize the potential loss if somebody don't like this product and stuff. You want to minimize their loss perception, right? So for that reason, if you offer 30-day returns and it's just not stated anywhere on the product page, it's just the same as you don't offer it, and your policy doesn't matter at all. So for that reason, that by having your returns policy somewhere there below the add to cart button, or somewhere even here below the header part, that would significantly increase the conversion rate, because people will know if they don't like this product, which is expensive, they can just return it and get their money back, which is the policy that this brand has. So you need to have it. Then the second thing that this brand don't have a bit more specificity to their reviews. They just have 5 stars and the number. So that way the customers don't even know that they can click on this and get to this review section, which is actually pretty good. It has people on it, how people are wearing these shoes, which is a very good thing. But if your visitors don't know that they can click on this and get scrolled to that part, it just doesn't matter. What I would do here is rated 4.8 or whatever the rating is by 46 happy customers, and that way you would just increase conversion rate, because more people will click on it, more people will see the reviews, and therefore more people will get persuaded to buy the product. So super important thing. Then the next thing that they could improve, they could have color swatches on the options instead of just these default rectangles. If you have color swatches here, option swatches, whatever, that would just increase the conversion rate, because people will easily see the variants before even clicking it, and the website will just look better and variants will be more clear to the visitors. So it's just a little thing, it's easy to implement. In this example, there's only 2 variants, so it's not that bad. But when you have 4, 5, or 6 variants, you want to have color swatches, because it will just help your visitors with seeing all these variants upfront. So very important thing. It's great thing that they have the size chart. When you click on it, it scrolls like this. I would put this chart maybe a bit more above. So they have a good explanation there, so that's good. Then the next thing that I've realized is that this brand is selling a fashion stuff, apparel, right? And they don't have a single image of a man wearing these shoes, which is the most important thing when you're selling apparel stuff. People buy apparel stuff because they want to achieve certain type of look, to impress someone. So for that reason, you need to find what is the ideal persona that your visitors want to look like, and to have that persona on your product page so they can relate to that person, and that way they know that when they buy your shoes they will achieve that look, and they will feel like that person on the image. So that's why images are the most important thing when you're selling apparel, and this brand only have images of shoes. People are not buying shoes because of shoes. People are buying shoes because they want to achieve certain type of look and to feel more confident and maybe find a partner, whatever. So for that reason, you need to have images of people wearing your items if you want to increase your conversion rate. That will help them definitely with that. So yeah. And the last thing, when you add the product to the cart and you go to the cart page, you can see how their cart page is just not... it's good thing that they have reviews, great job on that. But here I would again put some of your trust seals, like what's your refund policy, what are your delivery time and stuff. I would even put some social proof here because not many people will scroll down. It's a good thing that they have social proof here, but I would definitely put it more above, like have again those stars or a quote from a satisfied customers and stuff. Because these products are expensive, like shoes that cost above 400 pounds. That's expensive, right? So for that reason, you just need to have all these things. They have this estimate shipping, then you can select this, and which is not bad, but I would still like put something that will communicate easier and quicker what's the shipping time, because I believe this brand is selling mostly to the United Kingdom based on the pounds and stuff. So yeah, overall good store. There's these few tweaks that they could implement to increase the conversion rate. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, let me down in the comment section, because I'm reading comment sections. I don't have too many comments. If you'd like us to help you with growing your e-commerce brand, reach out to me in the link below, and like and subscribe if you'd like more content like this. So see you in the next one.